Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, how are you? Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. We've got a great recepe today. Been doing a lot of salmon videos, and of course this is no different. This is going to be also with salmon, but with some new ingredients. We're going to step up the game. Hiro, what are we doing today?
Today we're gonna do Oshizushi.
Okay.
I'm going to use this oshi box, hako. Sometimes we call it hako sushi. So I'm going to use this tool.
If you guys are looking to find this, we have an Amazon store linked down below. You can find it there. And this is from the Kansai region, right?
Yes,
So
Kansai area is more popular.
Kansai
To
area,
use
okay.
this one.
Very, very good. All right, Hiro,
Yep.
let's go
And
through the
then
ingredients. Yeah?
Main ingredient is here, Bakkafrost,
Okay.
salmon, and the ikura, black truffle and white truffle, and avocado.
Right. Thanks to our friends also, Bakkafrost. Bakkafrost to us is the best farm salmon around. You guys have seen our videos that we've done recently with them. So proud to be their brand ambassador, but more importantly, because salmon is just high quality. Of course, our friends over there at Truffle Prestige for Gaddy for bringing this over. Check this out when he came by last and dropped this off. Good afternoon. Another special guest, Gaddy.
How you guys doing?
Great. Tartufu.
Yes.
Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you. Thank you
All right.
for having me.
Show us what you got. The goods
So,
again.
Yeah. We'll start off with the last of it. These are the burgundies. Give it a couple more days and these are done. And we will start with the winter truffles.
Okay.
And we have, you guys can smell it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
White.
Wow, look at this. Look at this. This is huge. This is probably about 1.5 inches, 2 inches long. And where's this from?
These are Italian.
Italian. Wow. What do these sell for? Wholesale cost. What do these sell for a pound?
Right now these are going for $1,500 a pound.
Oh my goodness. 1,500, and that's wholesale cost.
Yeah.
Wow. So what do you think you have in there in terms of weight? This is
It's probably 2 pounds.
2 pounds altogether. Unbelievable. $3,000 here.
I got it.
That's so beautiful.
No, they smell.
Yeah, it smells. So now let me ask you, there's a lot of people that are asking, can anyone from, if they don't have a restaurant, how do they get some of this product from you?
Online. We have a website, and from there we ship anywhere in the States. We're always shipping.
All right, so you
Always
can ship it
shipping.
in. All right,
Yeah,
excellent.
to restaurant, private homes, literally anybody.
So if you're not a restaurant owner, what is there different price structuring? Like say, I guess wholesale, right to the restaurant is a different price.
Yeah.
And mostly retail's another
So retail
price.
will have its price, yes. At the
Okay.
end of the day, we try to accommodate everybody, and we're trying to give everybody the opportunity to have this at home, especially for now the holidays are coming.
Oh,
special
yes.
occasions.
Now you're gonna have this until how long? This white.
So October is the first day that white truffles are in season.
Okay.
And they usually go until January, end of January, more or less, depending on how the season goes.
Okay.
This is one of those seasonal truffles that everybody gets in line for.
Okay. Wow, we're so excited, Hiro. Some good product, and of course you brought again one of Hiro's favorite, the truffle carpaccio, right? That's what this is. Some other delicious mushrooms here. We're going to be doing something with Hiro. He was so excited to see that mushroom, right? You haven't seen that in a long time?
Yeah.
Maybe 20-some years?
Not
long?
that long.
Not that long.
But
Very long.
Yeah.
These are, what do you call these from Japan?
matsutake.
Mazatake. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much, Gaddy, for stopping by.
Thank you guys for having me.
Guys, check out his website. We'll put the information down below. Order online and enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First layer is rice. So today we are going to total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 to 9 layer. I have to put it within, so everything kind of thin, little by little. Then actually I'm gonna do making a little bit flat on the surface.
All right, here we go. This has got to be the $100 Oshizushi.
$100.
Oshizushi.
Oshi
Hiro-san, I can't wait to try this. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you again to Bakkafrost for sending the salmon to us. We really appreciate it. So proud to be their brand ambassador. Check out the website. Delicious choices of salmon. A lot of you have tagged us on your Instagram posts. Thank you so much for doing that, and thanks for trying them out. Now you too can have the best salmon in the world. Hiro-san, we see you soon.
Yeah, next time.
Hiro-san, are you ready to eat?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait to sink my teeth in this. Let's do it, Hiro. Oshizushi.
Oshizushi.
Wow, look at those
It's
layers.
a pretty huge.
Yeah, it's a big
piece,
bite,
so-
right?
Actually, you know what? I go with my finger.
Okay.
It's easy to broken too, so I go with like this.
That is a big bite. What about soy sauce?
I don't. First one, I don't want to use the soy sauce.
No? Okay. Enjoy. You're making that noise again, Hiro. How's it taste with those kind of truffles, with the Akura, with the Bakkafrost salmon?
Yeah. Be honest, avocado is a little bit strong
Oh, really? Okay.
for this combination.
Okay.
So
Funny thing, huh? This avocado.
color is beautiful, but
Take a look. Dip it a little bit in soy sauce.
that's good.
Wow. Right away, taste the torch salmon. It's got that texture in it. A little bit more flavor than the raw. And they taste the black more than the white truffle too. I taste them both. Really fresh. You guys never had this real truffle? Give them a try. Delicious roll though. Last bite I got a lot of the black truffle. It's a little
You
bit
can
harder.
taste it.
A little bit harder the texture than the white one is, you know? I'm not really shy. Oh my goodness, this is so good, Hiro. Oh, really?
You put so many soy sauce.
Ikura too. I love it.
Yeah, avocado, ikura, and the torched salmon. Okay, you can taste it right away.
Got some truffle stuck on the back of my tooth. Wow, delicious. Well, thank you so much, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you very much.
See you.
See you next time.